Chapter 6 Linear Inequalities. The topic is Solution of System of Linear Inequalities in two variables. Till exercise 6.2. Whatever the lines and solutions we have drawn, it was in the form of only one equation. Now in this exercise, if there are more than one equation, how to find it out the solution in the graph. So it is given system of linear inequalities. Now while calculating the solution, by taking up two lines, we have to check the common region, the common shaded region in almost all the examples. Beginning with the exercise 6.3's first example, it is given x is greater than or equal to 3 and y is greater than or equal to 2. As both these values are positive, we have taken only the positive x and y axis. X equal to 3 line will be exactly perpendicular to x passing through 3, and y equal to 2 line will be just perpendicular to y axis passing through 2. Now if we check x greater than or equal to 3, means all the area or the area towards right of 3 is to be shaded, which are indicated with the arrows. So these arrows says that this side of the line x equal to 3 is to be shaded. Y greater than or equal to 2 means all the values more than 2 are to be taken up. So all the arrows will be taking is just pointed towards up. So the upside of y equal to 2 line is to be shaded. So in that case you will find that this is a region where you will find that both the arrows are intersecting. Intersecting means they are common. So this is the area or the solution of both the lines lie in this common area. Now both the lines y equal to 2 and x equal to 3 are not dotted lines. Reason, the equality sign is there. So this is how the first example is being solved. Second one is the equation given, that is the inequality given is 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12, x greater than or equal to 2, y also greater than or equal to 2. To draw the equation of line, we will equate it to 12. So taking one time x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, we get if x is 0, y is 6, and if y is 0, x is 4. So drawing the line 3x plus 2y equal to 12, by taking the x-axis as a difference of 2, 4 and 6, y-axis also as a difference of 2, 4 and 6, drawing the line 3x plus 2y equal to 12 by plotting the points, x equal to 2 line will be exactly perpendicular to x-axis passing through 2. Y greater than or equal to 2 line will be passing through y equal to 2. Now for the common shaded area here, for the first line we will take 0, 0. That means 0, 0 is lying towards the left side of the line 3x plus 2y equal to 12. So 0, 0 we have taken it. Substituted in this equation. If it is less than or equal to 12, 0 is less than or equal to 12 is correct. So towards 0 it is being pointed. All the arrows are taken up towards 0. Now for x greater than or equal to 2, the arrows are towards the right of x equal to 2 line. Y greater than or equal to 2, arrows are towards the upwards of y equal to 2 lines. Now if you see all these arrows, this triangle region is the common region in all the three. So that part is being shaded as a common region for all the three lines. Third one, the inequalities given are 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6. Another one is 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. Now again, to draw the line, taking up the points of x and y, x0, y is 6, and if y is 0, x is 3. Same thing for this line, taking up x as 0, y is 3, and if y is 0, x is 4. So plotting the graph here for both the inequalities, for first one 0, 6 and 3, 0, these two are the points. Here not a dotted line to be drawn as equality sign is there. So this is the first line of 2x plus y equal to 6. Taking up for the second line, 0, 3 is on y-axis, 4, 0 is on x-axis. Drawing again a line. Now to check which side is to be shaded, for that, for the first line we have selected 0, 0 as the point. Keeping 0, 0 at the places of x and y, we get 0 greater than or equal to 6, which is not true. So 0, 0 lies this side, so the opposite side is to be shaded. So this part is taken up. You can easily see the arrows pointing towards the opposite side of 0, 0. Now for the second line, again taking up 0, 0, keeping in the inequality, we got 0 less than or equal to 12 as it satisfies, so the arrows are pointing towards 0. So in that case, if you just check both the types of the arrow, the common region will be this one. So this is the common region, or the solution of both the inequalities lie in this common region. Fourth one is x plus y greater than or equal to 4, 2x minus y greater than 0. Here one line is going to be dotted, another line is going to be not a dotted line. Now again, taking up the value of x and y as 0, 0. When x is 0, y is 4. When y is 0, x is 4. So drawing the graph for that, the line, this point is 0, 4 and this one is 4, 0, connecting it with the line, and this line is not going to be a dotted ones as equality sign is there. Now for 2x minus y, we will take up 0, 0. If x is 0, y will be 0. If x is 2, y will be 4. So this is how the 2 points are being taken. As we know that minimum 2 points are needed to draw a line, 2 points are enough for drawing the line. So we have taken 0, 0 as one of the point. Another is 2 and 4, connecting both these points with a dotted line as equality is not there. Now since this line 2x minus y equal to 0 passes through origin, we cannot take 0, 0 for checking which region is to be shaded. So for that, One of the point from either side can be taken. Here the point is taken 1 0. So from this side the point is being taken as 1 0, lying on the x-axis. Now keeping 1 0 in the inequality, in the place of x1, in the place of y0, we get 2 minus 0 greater than 0. 2 is greater than 0. It is a true statement. The inequality is satisfied. So towards 1 0 it is to be shaded. So you can just see that the arrows are marked towards 1 0. Now going for the common region. The common region is this part. So that is to be completely shaded, as the solution of both these inequality lies in this common region. Fifth one, the inequalities given are 2x minus y greater than 1. Another one is x minus 2y less than minus 1. Now again going for taking 0 0 on both x and y axis. If y is 0, x is going to be half. Y 0, x value will be half. And if x is 0, y is minus 1. Same thing for the second line. If x is 0, y is 1 by 2. You can just keep the value and check this whether the calculations are correct or not. If you are taking up y equal to 0, x value will be minus 1. Now as the points are in negative, we will be taking y axis as negative and just take some distance for plotting it. So till 1 on all the sides if you are taking up, minus 1 on y, 1 axis, 1 on y axis and minus 1 on x axis. So all these 4 points are enough to draw this graph. So half is taken just between 0 and 1 on both x axis as well as y axis. Now the first point is half and 0. Half and 0 lies here. Second point is 0 and minus 1. 0 and minus 1 lies on y axis, negative side. Connecting these 2 points with a dotted line as equality is not there. Then for the second line, it is 0 and half. So 0 and half lies here on y-axis. Another point is minus 1 0. Minus 1 0 lies on x-axis. So connecting these 2 points again with a dotted line because equality is not there. Now as both these lines are not passing through 0, so which side is to be shaded? For that we can select 0 0 for both. So selecting 0 0, keeping in the first inequality, we get 0 is greater than 1. So towards, as it is wrong, it's not correct, hence the opposite side is being taken up. So you can just see the arrows are towards the opposite side of 0 0. Now for the second line, if 0 0 is taken up, 0 is less than minus 1 we got, which is again wrong because minus 1 is less than 0. 0 is not less than minus 1, hence again it is not satisfied. So the opposite sides are being taken up for the second line also. Now if you check for both these lines, the common area is this part. So this is to be shaded, which is a common region where the solution of both the inequalities, common solution lies here. Now taking up with the sixth example, it is given by x plus y is less than or equal to 6 is one of the equation. Another one is x plus y greater than or equal to 4. Now for both these equations, taking 0 0 for x and y both, If x is 0, y is 6. If y is 0, x is 6. Same for the second inequality. If x is 0, y is 4. Y 0, x is 4. Now plotting just the positive side of x and y. For the first line, 0, 6 is this point and 6, 0 is this one, connecting it with the non-dotted line. For the second inequality, second line drawn is 0, 4 point is here, 4, 0 point lies on x-axis. Again connecting it with a line, and the line is not going to be dotted as equality sign is there. Now you will find that both these lines will be parallel. Now we have to go for common region. For that we have selected 0, 0 for both the lines to check it. For first line or the first inequality, if we take, keeping 0, 0, it will be less than or equal to 6. So towards 0, 0 it is being taken up. So the arrows are pointing towards 0. For the second inequality, taking 0, 0 and keeping in the inequality, we get 0 greater than or equal to 4, which is not correct. Hence the opposite side, the arrows are taken up. If you just look at both the directions of the arrow, the common region is lying between both the lines. So this part is shaded as the solution of both the lines. Common region is this shaded part. Seventh one, the inequalities are 2x plus y greater than or equal to 8 and x plus 2y greater than or equal to 10. Taking the points, one time x equal to 0, y is 8. If y is 0, x is 4. Plotting the points for the first inequality, 0, 8 lies on the y-axis, 4, 0 lies on x-axis, drawing a non-dotted line as equality is there. Now for the second one, if x is 0, y is 10, and if y is 0, x is 10. Again drawing the line, 0, 5 plotted here, 10, 0 is being plotted here, drawing a non-dotted line to connect both these points. Now as both these lines does not pass from 0, 0, so for which part is to be shaded, we will select 0, 0 for the first line, and keeping 0, 0, 0 is greater than or equal to 8, we get it, which is a wrong statement. Hence the opposite side of the first one is being taken up. The area which does not contain 0, 0 is to be taken, so the arrows are being drawn towards the opposite side of 0, 0. Now for the second one, again taking 0, 0, we get 0 is greater than or equal to 10, which is again not corrected. So the arrows are pointing towards opposite side of 0, 0. Now if you check both the arrows, the common region is this whole thing. This whole part becomes a common region. So that part is being shaded for both the lines, common area. The solution of both the lines lies here, common solution. Eighth one, the equation given are, there are total 3 inequalities here. X plus y less than or equal to 9, y greater than x, and x greater than or equal to 0. Now x greater than or equal to 0 indicates only the positive side. Now For drawing the graph, taking up the points x equal to 0, y will be 9, y 0, x will be 9. So drawing the line by taking 0, 9 on y-axis and 9, 0 on x-axis, a line is being drawn, x plus y equal to 9. For x equal to y, taking up the points, if x is 0, y is 0. If x is 6, y will be 6, as both are equal. So this line passes through 0, 0. So one point is 0, 0, another point is 6 and 6. So connecting these 2 points, or by taking these 2 points and drawing a dotted line, as equality is not there. Now for shading the area, we will take it up 0, 0 for the first inequality, because the first line is not passing through 0, 0. Now keeping 0 and 0 in the place of x and y for the first inequality, we get 0 is less than or equal to 9, which is true statement. Therefore, the arrows are pointing towards 0, 0, that this area is to be shaded, this part. Now for the second one, as it is passing through 0, 0, will not take 0, 0 as a point. We will take any one point either from this side or the other side. Either you can take 3, 0 or you can take 0, 3. Even you can take 6 and 9 also from either of the sides to check it. So taking up 3, 0 and keeping in this inequality, we will get 0 is greater than 3, which is not correct. So as 3, 0 lies on the x-axis, this side is not to be shaded, the opposite side is taken up and the arrows are drawn towards pointing towards opposite side. Now if you check the common area or the common region, this triangle is going to be the common region for both these lines. So that part is being shaded as a common region.